This is going to be a pretty quick video. We're going to discuss the importance of clearly defining what personal property stays and what personal property goes after the closing. Stick around, you're going to want to hear this quick little story. Let's go! This is a great tip for both buyers and sellers of multifamily assets. During the purchase and sale agreement, it's just smart business, even though you may think something is as obvious as all get out, to spell out which personal property is going to convey after the closing. Is the pool furniture staying? Is the office equipment staying? Are the blowers for the parking lot staying? Are the pressure washers and supplies and air conditioning filters and the lawnmower and the golf cart, all of the stuff in the maintenance shed, is that staying or is that going? What may be super obvious to you as the buyer or the seller may not be as obvious to the other side. I know of a deal that went perfectly fine from soup to nuts. Letter of intent was easy. Purchase and sale agreement was easy. Due diligence period went seamlessly. Closed on time, everything wonderful. And then the buyer takes possession, walks into the maintenance shed, and everything's gone. It's pretty deflating when day one of business, all the things that are used to take care of that property, they're gone. And what really stinks about us as human beings is that even though that transaction went so well from start to finish, all the buyer is going to remember is how short-sighted and distasteful that was from that seller. And so what's going to happen next? Naturally and perfectly normal, that buyer's going to have discussions with other investors and other brokers about their experience with that seller. What was extremely obvious to that buyer obviously wasn't that obvious to the seller. And it's extremely likely that seller didn't even do it maliciously. It was just part of their ordinary course of a sale, which is why it's so important and so easy to go ahead and spell up all of those things, even the most obvious, up front. Go ahead and add that as an exhibit to your template PSA right now. Right now. Go ahead and let your attorney know. I'll wait. All right, guys, if this video brought you value, please hit the like down below. Make sure you subscribe and hit that little notification bell right next to it so you're automatically made aware of each video each week. See you on the next one.